Changing the cabin air filter on this 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. If you have a 2015 to 2019 Silverado or Sierra 2500 or 3500, this process is going to be more or less the same. Let's jump right into it. First thing you're going to do is open the passenger side door. You'll find the cabin air filter underneath that lower glove compartment. So open up both the glove compartments. Then the lower glove compartment's being held on by these 4 size T15 screws. So let's remove those 4 screws. Once those 4 screws are removed, you're going to grab the upper part and lower part of that lower glove compartment, give it a good yank, and it'll pull right off its tabs, pulling right out. Now, if you swoop on in underneath the dash, you're going to see that cover covering the cabin air filter. To remove that cover, all you got to do is pull on the tabs located on the top, give it a good yank, they'll pop right off, and then the whole cover will just hinge on those bottom hinges there and pull it away. Once your cover is away, all you got to do is pull that cabin air filter out. And look how nasty this thing is. Let's go grab a new filter, and I'll leave the link to this filter in the description below. The only thing you need to make sure when putting the new filter in is that the arrows are facing down. That's the way the airflow goes, right from the top. And then it's a rectangle, so it's only going to go in one way. So the smaller edge is going to go into the hole. If you try and put the bigger edge in, it's not going to fit. Go ahead and get that filter in all nice and flush. Once it's nice and flush, grab that little filter cover, put the hinges in first, then click both the top tabs, and now that's back in. We're going to finish up the job by putting the glove compartment back in. So you'll notice these little tabs. All you got to do is line them up. Push that glove compartment back in, throw those 4 size T15 screws in, close up the glove compartments, and you're good to go. Now this cabin is smelling a whole lot better. Hey, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that YouTube stuff, and thank you for watching.